Hello from Canada. Buckle up and get ready for this tour around Toronto, Niagara Town and Niagara Falls.
Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why.
We will start our trip from the hotel, which is not far from the airport. We arrived at Toronto downtown. In this square you can find a huge water fountain, the old and new municipality buildings. At the square, there is a large stage for music concerts. After this square, we went to Toronto Times Square. It is similar to New York Times Square, however much cleaner and less crowded. Plenty of shops and restaurants. After our walk in downtown, we walked towards the lakefront. Very nice place to enjoy the beauty of the nature at the same time enjoying the coffee shops and street shows.
You got me up and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me.
Now it's time to drive towards Niagara Little Town.
And I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open and you got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding.
This town reminded me of Switzerland. Beautiful streets full of flowers. A small touristic town not to miss if you like such vibes. After spending an hour at the town, we continued our journey towards Niagara Falls. Few meters away from the fall, you can explore the city and the entertainment vibes.
Keep bleeding love. You got me open and you got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, I keep.
Plenty of international and local restaurants. Several amusement attractions. From the car racing circuit to the roller coasters. Ghost hunting houses, the wheel, mini golf and many more.
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open and you got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open and you got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open and you got me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding
to explore the waterfalls. What an amazing place! First, we took a walk and plenty of photos for the waterfalls. The promenade was very nice despite getting wet because of the strong waterfalls. After the walk, I took the boat ride which takes you under the waterfalls. The boat trip is for 20 minutes. I waited around 10 minutes for boarding. It cost 39 Canadian dollars. I had the courage to stand at the front of the boat facing the water. But not for long. It's very difficult to stand all the trip at the front because of the water power. I got soaked in water. My mobile gave me an alert that the water got into it. You have to be ready for getting wet. Otherwise, you can stand behind the windows for protection. However, you won't feel the complete experience if you do so.
Keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding. I keep bleeding love.
Hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for your support.
I keep